So second example is find Laplace transform of 3 times sine phi u t whole divided by t, that we want to find. Now you tell me what I have to do in this case.
सर 3 को बाहर लेके पहले sin 5t का लैपलास निकालना है, फिर उसका इंटीग्रेशन करना है.
हाँ, that is division by. Yes, very good. Now let us see how. So consider Laplace transform of only this much, 3 sine 5t. So this is equal to 3 times Laplace of sine 5t, and this is equal to 3. We can take this 3 outside of the Laplace transform just because of linearity property. So linearity property holds in the Laplace transform, therefore we can take it outside of the Laplace. And now we have standard formula for sine at. It is a upon, that is 5 upon s square plus 5 square. Since Laplace transform of, we know this formula, that Laplace transform of sine at is nothing but the a upon s square plus a square. Okay, that's the formula. Using that we have this answer. So this is equal to 15 upon s square plus 25. 5 square is 25, and this is Laplace of 3 sine 5t. But we want divided by t, so therefore by division by t property you have to use here. So therefore by division by t property, division by t rule, or you can say property, we have Laplace transform of this 3 sine 5t whole divided by t, and right hand side we have to take the integration of this term. You can see here s to infinity 15 upon s square plus 25 ds, and that this f of s I have taken here 15 upon s square plus 25, and we have to integrate this from s to infinity with respect to x. Okay, so what is the answer of this? It is 15 integral s to infinity 1 upon s square plus 25. Who will tell? Yes, what should I write integral of this? It is
1 upon 5 tan inverse s upon 5.
Yes, correct. So this is 15 divided by a value of a. Let me remind you that. Let me remind you that formula. 1 upon 5 here we have, and inside we have tan inverse s upon 5. So that formula limits s to infinity. That formula that we are using here, it is nothing but the integral 1 upon x square plus a square dx. It is nothing but the 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. That formula we are using here. And here in place of x we have s, and in place of a square we have 5 square. So that value of a is nothing but the 5. So therefore it is equal to this, and now we can see outside, we can cancel out this 5 3, so therefore 3, and here we have tan inverse infinity. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 and minus tan inverse s upon 5. So therefore final answer is, therefore Laplace transform of 3 sine 5t whole divided by t, it is nothing but the 3 pi by 2 minus 3 tan inverse s upon 5. That's the correct answer. Okay, so this is the use of division by t property, and in the last we used multiplication by t property. So next example, do it fast. Again division by t property you have to use here. चलो ये दो एग्जांपल मैंने सॉल्व करके दिया, अभी ये वाला सॉल्व करो आप जल्द से जल्द, and then you solve this. For this c, let me tell you one thing, e to the power minus 40 sin 3t divided by t.
सर मैं बोलूं?
हाँ
सर पहले वो sin 3t का लैपलास निकालना है, फिर डिवीजन प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी है, फिर फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी लगाना है.
Very good, that's the correct algorithm to solve this for Laplace transform. Very good. So first you need to calculate You need to calculate the Laplace of sine whatever that. First tell me that example. I will write here. हाँ, एग्जाम्पल बताओ क्या है वो?
e to the power minus 4t
हाँ,
sin 3t divided by t.
divided by t. Okay. So in this case, we need to consider Laplace. We need to find Laplace of sine t, then division by t property, and then first shifting property. This is the correct algorithm. So consider Laplace transform of sine 3t, that is equal to a upon, so that is 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is 9. And since I am writing formulas again and again just for revision, you must know this formula. Laplace of sine at, it is equal to a upon s square plus a square, ये होता है. So this is equal to, therefore by division by t property, by division by t property we have Laplace transform of sine 3t whole divided by t, and it is equal to integration we have to take of this term. Let us call this as a f of s. So I am calling this as a small f of s, and it, by division by t property, it is integration s to infinity small f of s ds, and that small f of s is nothing but the s to infinity 3 upon s square plus 9 ds. And now we have, it is equal to integration, so 3, again the same formula of tan inverse we can use here. So 3 upon 3, integration is tan inverse s by 3, and integration s to infinity. Now at infinity we have pi by 2 value, right? So this is equal to pi by 2. At infinity we have tan inverse infinity pi by 2, and lower limit, that is tan inverse s by 3. So this is Laplace transform what? This is Laplace transform of sine 3t divided by t, and therefore by first shifting property we have, therefore by first shifting property, we have Laplace transform of e to the power minus 4 times t into sine 3t divided by t, divided by t, it is equal to first shifting property says that wherever s is there in the function, you have to replace it by respective power of that exponential term. So it is minus 4, you have to replace it wherever s is get replaced by s plus 4. So therefore it is pi by 2 minus tan inverse, here s will get replaced by s plus 4 divided by 3, and that's the final answer. Okay, Laplace transform this. Okay, so I have solved first 3 example. Now चलो remaining solve कर दो आप, आपकी बारी है अभी. चलो फटाफट सॉल्व कर दो लास्ट वाला. ये थोड़ा सा मैं इसको करेक्ट कर लेता हूँ. ये यहाँ पे a है, e to the power minus 80 माइनस. चलो d वाला सॉल्व करो एवरीवन.
सर log s plus b by s plus a आ रहा है.
log
s plus b by s plus a.
हाँ बराबर वही होना चाहिए. So example is that f of t equal to e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt divided by t. You can take any numbers, particular numbers of a, b. Still it is okay. In fact, you are finding the Laplace of transform of this function, then later you can replace the particular numbers of a and b. That will be the respective changes in the final solution you have to do. Okay, so consider Laplace transform of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus b times t. Okay, So Laplace we can separate out. It is e to the power minus at plus minus Laplace transform of e to the power minus b times t. Now this is 1 upon s plus a minus this is 1 upon s plus b. Okay, and after that, why this 1 upon s plus a, 1 upon s plus b? Since standard formula Laplace transform of a t, it is nothing but the 1 upon s minus a. And if you have minus as an exponential power of exponential term, then you have to replace it by s plus a, okay, instead of s minus a. So we have s plus a and s plus b for second term. And now we can divide by t. You can use a division by t property. So therefore by division by t property of Laplace transform, we have Laplace transform of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt whole divided by t. It is nothing but the integration. So you have to take integration s to infinity 1 upon s plus a minus 1 upon s plus b with respect to s. And so therefore it is equal to integration of first term, it is log of integration of first term, it is log of s plus a. Integration of second term, it is log of s plus b, and it varies from s to infinity. So this is equal to, or you can say this is equal to log of s plus a upon s plus b, and limits from s to infinity. Now what can you say about log of infinity? Means value of this function at infinity.
So 0.
Why?
सर अगर s कॉमन लिया तो log 1 प्लस a बाय s आएगा और डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस b बाय s आएगा. तो जब s को इन्फिनिटी पुट करेंगे तो वो जो है log 1 बाय 1 आएगा. तो log 1 इज 0.
हाँ, correct, very good. So if you take s common, so therefore since log of s plus a divided by s plus b, it is equal to log of 1 plus a by s and 1 plus b by s. And if I put infinity, s is equal to infinity, this will become log of 1 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0, and this will be log 1, but log 1 is equal to 0. And that's the reason why we are getting log infinity. In this case it is 0. So we have upper limit value of this function, it is equal to 0, and lower limit it is minus log of s plus a divided by s plus b. So this is same as log of s plus b divided by s plus a. Because of property of logarithm, we can change the denominator and numerator, and we can take this minus inside. So this is log of s plus b divided by log of this is divided by s plus a, and therefore Laplace transform of original function, it was e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt divided by t. It is nothing but the log of s plus b divided by s plus a. That's the answer. Okay, good. Solve remaining examples. Question number 1 is over. Question number 1 मैंने पूरा सॉल्व करके दिया आपको, राइट? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व करके मुझे आंसर बताओ फाइनल. एवरीवन डू इट.
सर
हेलो,
ये जो इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e टू द पावर माइनस t है, ये जो तो ये लैपलेस हो जाएगा ना? लैपलेस मतलब डायरेक्टली लैपलेस कंसीडर कर सकते हो ना?
डायरेक्टली कंसीडर कर सकते हो.
तो लैपलेस एस टी बाई टी आएगा, साइन टी बाई टी, सॉरी.
हाँ, यस, ये तो डायरेक्टली डेफिनेशन से हो रहा है. लैपलेस साइन टी या बाई टी फाइंड करने का, उसके बाद डेफिनेशन यूज करने का, और उसके बाद पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज ऑफ एस यू हैव टू पुट.
सर आंसर आज बोलू क्या?
हाँ, 1 मिनट, 1 मिनट, जस्ट मी इरेज दिस थिंग. Then I will proceed to the solution. Who is interested, please raise your hand. I will see in the chat section for this example. Three students are interested. One is Syed Aman, Syed Mohammed, and third is Yadav Swapnil. Okay, तो चलो यादव स्वप्निल के साथ जाते हैं, उसके बाद सैयद के साथ. वारुण इज आल्सो इंटरेस्टेड. ओके, सो स्वप्निल यादव.
हाँ सर, पहले हमें साइन का लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म लेना पड़ेगा.
फर्स्ट टेल मी एग्जांपल, दैट एग्जांपल.
एग्जांपल इंटीग्रेशन 0 to infinity e to the power t sin t divided by t dt.
Okay. So first what we have to do?
Laplace transform of sin t.
Okay, consider Laplace transform of sin t. It is what?
Is equal to 1 upon a square plus 1.
1 upon s square plus 1. Okay, why? Since Laplace
transform of sin a t is equal to a upon a square plus a square.
Okay, next.
Division by t property.
Okay, by division by t property we have by division by t property we have Laplace transform of
sin t by t.
It is nothing but what?
Is equal to integration s to infinity 1 upon a square plus 1 ds.
Okay, and this is simply what?
Is equal to tan inverse of s.
Yes, very good.
S to infinity.
S to infinity. Now what is tan inverse infinity?
Pi by 2.
Okay.
Pi by 2 minus tan inverse s.
Okay, so this is Laplace transform of sin t divided by t. Next what?
इंटीग्रेशन डेफिनेशन इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. इंटीग्रेशन 0 to infinity.
Okay, so let us use definition. At left hand side we have this term is exactly same as, therefore original definition of Laplace transform. This is integral 0 to infinity
e to the power s minus st sin t by t
dt, and this is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse. Okay, now tell me particular value of s.
S is equal to 1.
Yes, because we want value of this integral e to the power minus t sin t divided by t, and here we have value s, so we have to put s is equal to 1 so that we will get this integral. So therefore put s is equal to 1 both side, and so therefore we have left hand side it is integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus t sin t divided by t dt, and at right hand side we have pi by 2 minus tan inverse 1. But what is the value of tan inverse 1?
Tan inverse 1.
Pi by 4, sir.
Pi by 4. So therefore pi by 2 minus pi by 4, it is what?
Pi by 4.
Yes. So this is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 4, and that is equal to pi by 4. Right? So therefore answer of this question, integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus t sin t whole divided by t dt is nothing but the pi by 4. Very nice. Thank you, Swapnil. Okay, next example. चलो फटाफट कर दो नेक्स्ट वाला. Find Laplace transform of this function. Now third example number third is for periodic function. This is periodic function in the interval 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi periodic function means after 2 pi the same pattern will get repeated. Okay, from 2 pi to 4 pi, then 4 pi to 6 pi, then 6 pi to 8 pi, same pattern. So let us discuss this example. Who is interested? Please raise your hand. Let me check a chat section. हाँ अमन, are you interested in this example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me erase this first. I will write down this example. Let me erase this. Okay. So given example is that given that I'm talking about question number 3. Given that f of t equal to 1 and 0 in the interval t bigger than 0 less than pi, and pi in the interval less than t less than 2 pi, and one more condition is provided that f of t plus 2 pi, it is equal to f of t. Now this is periodic function. If you draw the graph of this function, it will look like this. So if I draw, this is suppose t axis horizontal, and this is f of t here we are plotting. And if you have interval 0 to pi, so this is pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and so on. And in the interval 0 to pi we have value 1. So suppose this is 1. So value 1 means we have to draw a horizontal line in the interval. So this is parallel to x-axis. So this is okay. And then pi to 2 pi we have 0. Again 2 pi to 3 pi it will be 1. Then 0, again this, then 0, like that. So this is the pattern of this periodic function, like that. Okay, so this is periodic function, and we want to find the Laplace transform of this periodic function. Now Aman, tell me formula. Aman, Laplace transform of f of t, it is
Equals to integration 0 to t e raised to minus e s t into f of s upon 1 minus e raised to minus e s t into dt.
1 minus e raised to minus s times t. Okay, what is that t? T is the period of that function. So this is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi e to the power minus st and f of t and whole divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2 pi s, because period is 2 pi. And now f of t it is defined in the interval 0 to 2 pi. We can see here we have to break this interval from 0 to pi and then pi to 2 pi. So therefore this is exactly equal to let me erase this. So therefore this is equal to integral from 0 to pi e to the power minus st, and in this interval we have value 1. So f of t is 1 dt, and then pi to 2 pi we have value 0. So e to the power minus st into 0 dt, and this whole divided by we have this term 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi s. Okay, so this is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi s in bracket integral 0 to pi e to the power minus st dt. Okay, now evaluate this with respect to t. So therefore it is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi s in bracket we have, what is the integration of this? Yes, Aman.
E raised to minus e s t into 1.
Divided
Into
by
minus 2.
into nahi, divided by minus s and 0 to pi. And now put upper and lower limits. So this is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi s in bracket upper limit e to the power minus pi s divided by minus s, and lower limit it is 0. So plus e to the power 0 upon s, this, and that's the final answer. Okay. So this is the required answer, Laplace transform of given periodic function. तो चलो periodic का भी मैंने कर दिया. अभी लास्ट बचा है क्वेश्चन, tan इनवर्स इज log of s plus a. Do it in 2 minutes. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल tan इनवर्स वाला, इसका लैप्लास इनवर्स फाइंड करना है, ना कि लैप्लास इनवर्स लैप्लास यू हैव टू फाइंड. Do this tan inverses and then right after 2 minutes I will come to you. Do it fast.
Sir, can you repeat third example?
Which one? Periodic one?
Yes, sir.
So this was the given example, and in this example we see that in the interval 0 to pi we have value 1. So this is 1. Sorry. This is 1, and in the interval pi to 2 pi value is 0. So this is fundamental period. What is that? 2 pi. So the function f of t plus 2 pi equal to f of t. That means this is 2 pi periodic. जैसे कि साइन का फंक्शन होता है, अगर साइन का हमने ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया, so it looks like this, right? So in between, in the interval 0 to 2 pi, and after that graph get repeated from this to this, from 2 pi to 4 pi, right? And then again get repeated. So same thing is happening here. In the interval 0 to pi it is 1, and in the interval pi to 2 pi it is 0, and after 2 pi it is get repeated, same graph get repeated, this, like that way, like that sine function. And after that if you identify this as a periodic function, the formula for Laplace transform of periodic function is, it is nothing but the Laplace of f of t equal to integration 0 to t e to the power minus st f of t dt and divided by 1 minus e to the power minus st. ये फॉर्मूला होता है. तो ये कैपिटल T होता है पीरियड, उसका पीरियड अभी 2 पाई है. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि f of t plus 2 pi is equal to f of t. That means it is 2 pi periodic function. That 2 pi we have to take into the consideration while evaluating integral. So 0 to 2 pi, and this is e to the power minus st f of t, and this denominator 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi s, because value of t is 2 pi. Now in this 0 to 2 pi we have to break this. Why? Because function is defined like this way, 0 से लेके pi तक, then pi to 2 pi. So that's why integral has to be a break 0 to pi, then pi to 2 pi, and from the interval 0 to pi we have value of f of t 1, and second we have 0. So therefore this term will get 0, and first term we have to evaluate, and denominator will remain as it is. And so integration of e to the power minus st with respect to t, it is this e to the power minus st divided by minus s. Limits from 0 to pi. Upper limit we are getting this term e to the power minus pi s divided by s. Wherever t you have to replace it by pi. And lower limit is 0. So minus minus become plus at lower limit, and e to the power 0, that is 1 divided by s. So that's the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. चलो tan इनवर्स एंड log of s plus a का फाइंड, s plus a upon s plus b का फाइंड करो. चलो.
Can I explain first?
Raise your hand. I will check chat section. Ahmad, you are interested?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो बताओ. Is this whiteboard visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Proceed.
Sir, first of all, we have to consider that tan inverse of s is equal to f of t.
Okay. Let us consider. Let Laplace
inverse
tan inverse of s is equal to f of t. Okay.
Sir, वहाँ पे Laplace inverse लेना है.
Okay, Laplace inverse.
Then shift that Laplace inverse is equal to f of t के उधर Laplace inverse shift करने से.
Okay, tan inverse of s is equal to Laplace transform of f of t. Next.
Then multiply that f of t into t and that derivative of tan. मतलब वहाँ पे tan inverse of s का derivative देंगे.
Yes, multiplication by t property. So therefore Laplace transform t f of t, it is nothing but the minus times derivative of that multiplication by t property tells us that we have to take minus times derivative of this tan inverse s. Okay, and then this is equal to minus, what is the derivative of tan inverse s? It is 1 upon 1 plus s square. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus s square. So we get Laplace transform of t f of t equal to let me erase this. Minus 1 upon 1 plus s square. Next what?
That's inverse sir, उधर शिफ्ट कर लेंगे सर. S
Yes.
square plus 1 is equal to sin of t.
Laplace inverse of minus 1 upon 1 plus s square. Very good. Now take minus outside. So Laplace inverse of 1 upon 1 plus s square. And this is nothing but the minus times sin t, because Laplace inverse of, since Laplace inverse of a upon s square plus a square, it is nothing but the sin at, right? And therefore this implies t f of t is nothing but the minus sin t. But we don't want t f of t, we want f of t, because f of t is nothing but the Laplace inverse of tan inverses. Therefore f of t equal to minus sin t divided by t, and that is equal to Laplace inverse of tan inverse. As you can see first step of this solution.